Hello friends, welcome to Learn with me. Today I am going to show you operators. We have 8 operators: arithmetic operator, relational, logical, assignment, increment, decrement, conditional and bitwise and special operator. So we are going to first see arithmetic operator. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. So let's just start. We are going to create our first application with arithmetic operators. So let's just include our header files stdio.h on io.h, void main, clr ser to clear screen get ch. With get ch you don't need to always alter F5 to see the output. So let's just header the program arithmetic operator. So let's just start with program printf, enter first value. We are going to scan the value from the user, so we will use printf scanf. If you want to scan some value, we have to declare variable. So int a b comma answer of our addition. So let's just scan first value. Ampersand a. Now printf for second value, enter second value. Let us scan second value, scanf percentage d comma ampersand b. So we are going to perform addition. Answer is equal a plus b. The right hand side value would assign to left hand side. So we have performed addition, will assign in answer parameter. So let's just print the answer. We are going to scan a, b and going to perform addition and store in answer. So let's just print answer. Printf your answer is percentage d m and answer. So let's just run the program. You can see it is asking for first value, second value, and on enter it will show the output 3. So let's just rerun the program and check with the different values. 4, 5, the answer is 9. This way we can perform other operator like minus. We just need to swap the sign. So here the subtraction and the multiplication. 3, 4 and 12. Now we are going to see division. 6, 3, 2. Now we are going to perform modulus. Modulus is a reminder of division. I'm going to pass 7 and 2. So it will answer me 1. This way we can, if we want to get reminder, we can use modulus. So here we have arithmetic operators and its program. So I'm just going to show you swapping program. Swapping means interchange the value. You can interchange two value. So now I am going to pass another variable c. If you want to guys get the value from user, you can use the printf scanf. I am going to assign the direct value in the variable. So a is equal 5. It would be fixed value, and we are going to swap the value between a and b with third variable c. So let's just start assign a value to c. So let's write c is equal a. It will assign a value to c. So c will have the value 5. Before that c was empty. So now c has 5. Now we are going to assign b value to a, as we have secured the a value in c. So now we can assign b to a. So now a variable has the value c, the value of b. So now let's just assign a value to b, which is secured in c. So b would have 5. So we are going to print a and b value, so we can check what is there in a and b. So now let's just print b is percentage d and our variable b. So let's just run it. So now you can see A has 6 and B has 5. So this way we can perform swapping. You just guys try to swap the value without third variable. And if you guys have any questions, please put in comment. Thank you.